Hello again. Today guys, I'm going to show you two methods for converting a fraction to a decimal. I'm going to show you on a calculator first, and then I'll show you how to do it using long division. If you want to follow along, grab something to write with, and let's do it on our whiteboard. If I want to convert 3/5 to a decimal, I have to think about it like this. 3 divided by 5. The easiest way is obviously to use a calculator, so it'd look like this. In your calculator, you just type in 3 divided by 5. And it's going to pop up, boom, 0.6. Super easy. So we know that's the answer. If you don't have a calculator, let's learn how to do this by long division. If you have to use the long division method, we think about it the same. 3 divided by 5. And how we write it is 3 divided by 5. Okay, let's divide. How many 5s go into 3? Well, it's going to be 0. So we're going to have to add our decimal point and our infinite zeros. Let's put our decimal point at the top, making sure that we line them up. Okay, now let's look at 30. How many 5s go into 30? 6. And to check there's no remainders, 5 times 6 is 30. There's no remainders, so we stop there. This is our decimal. Okay, we've got 6/30ths. If we throw that in the calculator, 6 divided by 30, it equals 0.2. If we're doing it in long division, we just write out the same. 6 divided by 30. 6 divided by 30. Okay? Now we know that 6/30ths is going to be less than 1. So we're going to need our decimal point and our infinite zeros. How many 30s go into 6? Well, we know it's going to be 0. Putting our decimal points, making sure they line up. Now we're going to think about this as 60. How many 30s go into 60? 2. And we're going to check that there's no remainders. 30 times 2 is 60. There's no remainders, so we can stop there. 0.2. Okay, here are some practice ones for you. So pause the video, have a go yourself, and when you're ready to mark, press play. 4 divided by 16 is 0.25. 9 divided by 30 is 0.3. 9 divided by 20 is 0.45. And 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. Awesome. If you're now an expert on converting fractions to decimals, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to learn more.